Hello. Now I'm going to discuss the second question in homework 3. So the second question is data question. So, but in this case, in this homework, the data are the same data we used for the previous homework. So, by the way, homework 2 is due this Sunday, and so if you watch this video, do not delete the homework, or when you do homework 2, maybe it is more efficient to finish homework 3 together. So use the same data set, and remember it was about birth weight and smoking, mother's smoking. So we have those key variables. Birth weight is literally the birth weight of the baby measured in grams, and smoker is a dummy variable that equals to 1 if the mother smoked during the pregnancy and 0 otherwise. Alcohol is 1 if drank during the pregnancy, 0 otherwise. And NPREVIST, number of prenatal visits. So number of prenatal visits, so how many times the mother saw a doctor during the pregnancy. And unmarried is another dummy variable that takes 1 if the mother is unmarried. So if married, 0, unmarried, 1. And using these variables, the major variable we are interested in is obviously the smoking. So we would like to study the effect of smoking, mother's smoking during the pregnancy on the birth weight of the baby, newborn baby. But the problem here is, even if we are only interested in the smoking behavior, still you need to control more unobserved determinants. As you know, there are a lot of determinants for the birth weight. Like your mother's weight, father's weight, mother's like economic status, like almost like a lot of things play in the determination of birth weight. So we try including more variables, like alcohol is included in the second equation, and then number of prenatal visits in the third, and unmarried in the fourth. So in total we are estimating 4 different equations. 4 different equations are estimated using different sets of regressors. So, and the first thing you have to do is, of course, the first thing you need to do is to estimate those regressions on data and make a regression table. So there are 4 regressions, but you make 1 table. So one table contains the essential results from all those 4 regressions, and the regression table looks like this. Exactly same structure. There will be number 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be 4th regression model, and of course the variable names must change, and you need to report these 3 guys too. They are reported in data. So standard error of the regression, R-square, sample size. Just find the corresponding numbers and make a table. There is no simple way to. So if you are good at programming, there are automatic ways to make the table automatically on data, but that requires many more advanced commands to make a separate table. So just copying and pasting is faster, like if you are a beginner. If you are an advanced programmer on data, I can send you a sample so that you can learn how to make a table on the command. So you must be able to answer those questions. They are more about what's going on in this regression models and what's the omitted variable bias and what happens if you don't use that, something like that. So try them. And today I'm going to just show you how to get the results and how to make a table. So there's nothing new. It's exactly what you know. And I changed the working directory and I loaded the data. And I'm going to open a to file. Open a to file, and it is easy. Just I'm going in the first regression. Regress earth weight smoker robust. This is the first regression. This is the first regression. I forgot to write this. And second regression, regress earth weight smoker and alcohol robust. Second. And I will copy. Alcohol and prenatal visits and finally unmarried. So this is it. So it's simple. In this homework, Stata, like writing a code on Stata is not that difficult. So basic commands. But what I want you to practice is to make a table out of those results. So you may simply copy, or you may just simply type, like so open Word, and you can type, make 5 by 1, insert, say 5 by, I don't know. So then you may type 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is smoker, alcohol, what is, and prevised, and unmarried. So this way you can intersect. SCR, R squared, and sample size. You may add another line, another column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You need 9 rows. Insert row below. Sample size. Number of observations. So you can enter like a copy, paste. So this is possible. So you can fill those table by doing this. Just like say, this is, remember, this is the standard error of regression. Standard error of the regression is reported here. Then you put it here. So don't be confused. Choose the correct cell and paste at the correct location. So this is one possible way, but as you can see, it's very inefficient. And maybe another way, alternative way, is like copying as a table and say, like it may be better to put the results into Excel and manipulate on Excel. So it is just easier. Excuse me. By the way, what I just did is, if you simply control copy this this part, then Excel does not understand how they are separated. So this is not what I recommend. After dragging, turn this area blue and right click. Right click. Then you can copy as table. Control Shift C. So copy as table. Then Excel understands the results as a table. So it automatically put different numbers in different places. Still, it does not understand this guy. Anyhow, this may be better, but there is no simpler way to do this. So I believe using Excel could be better. And just to give you another hint, just in case if you are not good at Excel, you may use data, text to columns, and you may separate numbers and words using this function. Text to columns. Break text into different columns. So then you may use these numbers. So it must be easy. And fill the table, 4x9 table. So you will be able to make a good looking, formally looking table. So this is what you have to do in homework 3. And if your result is not reported in this form, it is not accepted. So good luck. And if you have questions, please let me know. I have seen so far there was no one coming to my office hours, and kind of understand so far the materials were easy, but maybe from now on it could be a little more challenging. So please make use of myself, make use of me. So I'm available. See you later.